let's install Node.js. We're going to be using Node.js a lot for all the tooling that we need in order to run these blocks and use React. Node.js has this incredible plugin library called npm, and by having this installed, we'll be able to have access to npm. Now, all these ends and things, don't worry about it. We're going to walk through it all together. And if you're on a Mac, you might already have it installed. You can check and see, or a Windows. You can check on a Mac by typing in node-v and see I've got version 10.0.0. You may have a lower version than that, and you might want to just go ahead and upgrade that. Easy way to find out how to do it, just search Google. There's all kinds of different articles on how to update, but all you need to do is type npm install-g and npm cache clean-f. And you may need to do a sudo before that. The sudo, and I'll just do this, install-g n. Then it's going to ask for a password. Okay, so they updated. Now let's see what version I've got. Node-v. Okay, still same version. So I would try to get to that same version. But let's head on back over to Node. If you don't have it installed, you can either click here on this version, or if you go to downloads, they've got a Windows installer and a Mac installer, and these will just fire up and help walk you through easy install wizard. You can also do it from the terminal. If you scroll down here, all the download options are available, and they've also have installing Node.js via package manager. And then you would just pick either Windows, Mac, any of these other versions that you have here. And that's it. So in the next step, we're going to talk about a text editor. You may have one, you may not, but I'm going to show you what I use and talk about some different options for you.